Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, my dear MRCS candidate and the vascular surgeon. The YouTube has recently added a criteria called courses. So this will be the biggest teaching station all over the internet. So if you go to vascular online training and you are not yet have not signed in, if you are not yet subscribed or become a member, you can see the community. Here is the link that I want you to concentrate on, which is courses. So if you press of courses, you will find the courses that I have created, and I will give a quick summary about each course. Now, the first course is called Vasai MRCS Communication Trainer Tool. This is only available to members, and it is a trainer that will train you how to pass a communication skills station. It will give you an actor, and it will be an examiner, and you can train yourself on 10 different communication skills stations. It is really a great tool to vascular surgeon. It's only available to members. Now, the second option is called artificial intelligence for MRCS candidate using reliable sources. A lot of the problem for MRCS is that if you go to artificial intelligence, you're not sure about the references of the answer. So I have created a chatbot which is only available to member that will give you an absolute source from the Royal College of Surgeons. And this is the beauty about it. Now here you will go to another course which is called the best 20 books for MRCS course. Here you can have access to the best MRCS books all over the world. You can read them, but you cannot download them, and they are freely available 24/7. They are on Microsoft OneNote. It's a very large program. It's around 5 gigabytes, so don't use it from your mobile. Use it from your laptop with DSL. And it's all the best sources for MRCS. Now, if you go down, we have VSAP revision by Professor Samer Qusayr, which is vascular revision courses, around 80 lessons nearly, and it is very, very helpful to prepare you for the exam. Here also I have created nearly 100 lectures for MRCS intensive course. This is an intensive course that have multiple lessons, and it will show you the best way and the surest way to pass MRCS examination. If I press play it all, you will see it's only available to members. And here are the videos that is available. How to deal with angry patient, how to read the chest X-ray, how to do examination, what is the routine, what is the basics. All this is explained thoroughly in 100 video. So this is extremely useful tool to anyone going for MRCS exam. Let us go back. So this is the course, which is around 100 lecture intensive course MRCS. This is also another course, how to pass OSCE station, with 150 lessons for MRCS giving advice to candidates. And here you will have course which is artificial intelligence for doctor who want to learn artificial intelligence in a simple way to help them in their career. And here is TOT course for medical education, which is train to trainer, how to train the trainer for, again, available to members. And this is beautiful for medical education. Here I'm building up, still 4 lessons only, but I'm building up a course for passing MRCS vascular and MRCS vascular surgery as well. Here are two courses that I thought to summarize the CRISP course in 19 lessons, and here is ATLS course in 14 lessons. If I open ATLS course, you will have all the chapters of the ATLS course thoroughly explained and summarized, and just watching the video will make you as if you pass the ATLS course. Obviously, you will not have a certificate, but you will have a CME certificate from Vascular Online Training. But you wouldn't get the certificate of ATLS course itself. But it's very, very useful to have this information because it is very important for the MRCS exam. So these are, as you can see, um, 11 courses available for members of Vascular Online Training. I hope you join the membership. There is more courses to learn and to benefit from it. And I wish you all the best. My name is Dr. Muhammad Omar Farouk. I'm a consultant vascular surgeon.